Situated across 13 acres in a park-like setting, Whitegate Village offers the newest opportunity for private community living in downtown White Sulphur Springs. Surrounded by legacy trees and abundant green space, Whitegate Village features a smart mix of townhomes and patio homes, nestled against the majestic backdrop of the Allegheny Meadows and within walking distance of many popular downtown businesses and restaurants. Outdoor recreational pursuits await in every direction. Featuring a variety of floor plans from a team of designers and builders, Whitegate Village homeowners can enjoy high-quality design, excellence in construction, innovative planning, and astute attention to detail. Starting at just under $225,000, Whitegate Village's single-story patio homes feature finished two-car garages with custom stone siding and shingle exteriors. The open floor plan can be customized to your own needs, offering a large eat-in gourmet kitchen with breakfast nook, highlighted by stainless steel appliances and ample counter space. The carpeted master suite is both spacious and airy, while the tiled master bath enjoys a double vanity and luxurious garden tub with a separate step-in shower. Your wardrobe will have no problem finding room in the large walk-in closet. At over 1,500 square feet, these patio homes include a total of 3 bedrooms and 2 full baths, with a large back deck, along with a covered front porch for enjoying the cool mountain air. Whitegate Village is also proud to offer townhomes, starting at $190,000. These townhomes are move-in ready and maintenance-free, and offer 2-story private living within the planned community. The open layout allows plenty of natural light throughout the lower level, which features 9-foot ceilings in the main living room, open to the breakfast nook and professional kitchen, which boasts stainless steel appliances and granite counters. On the upper level of the townhome, you'll find the expansive master suite, offering a stylish master bath, bathed in white tones and featuring a double vanity and tiled floors. The guest bedrooms are spacious and bright and share a Jack and Jill bath that opens to each. New home purchases in Whitegate Village come with a 3-year social membership to the Greenbrier Resort, only 1.5 miles to the west. To reserve your new home today, please call 304-661-6543. Convenient, maintenance-free living and affordable luxury is the essence of Whitegate Village.